Get ready with me to meet
Jennifer Aniston.
I actually don't know if she's going to be at this event, but I really hope she is. I really hope she's going to come. I've got a little over 2 hours to do my makeup look. If you didn't know, Jennifer Aniston owns a hair care brand. So my focus tonight is not the makeup, it's the hair. I started on the hair a while ago. It's been sitting in these cute little rollers. So first I'm gonna laminate my brows. I'm gonna go for a smoky eye, but more of a wing lash situation. Usually I'd go for a funky color or like a graphic liner or maybe something a little bit more fun and whimsical, which I can still do, but I want to do it on a smaller scale and a little bit more neutral. So I gotta hurry my butt because I would like to sit down on the couch and try to edit before I leave. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I can try. I'm also flying to Australia tonight. So after the event, I gotta come back to this apartment that I have cleaned. Skincare, Tatcha. Oh, I'm gonna fill in my brows really quickly. I'm using the Nano Brow Pen, Nano Brow Pop, Brow Nano Pop. I don't know what it's called, but it's amazing. I love it. This pencil fills in the spots so quick. And does anybody else get bald spots in their brows? Because every time I fill in my brow, I feel like this just keeps going further up, and then I have to keep filling in and like literally drawing a straight line across to make it look like it used to. Do you see how quick and easy that is to do? Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I do not have time to use a little scoop. Although I do like it. It's very practical. So that you don't have to get your hands full of skincare. Because I like my skincare brushes, but I only have one. And I wash it almost every second day. Oh my God, I gotta hurry. Of course, sunscreen because I'm gonna be going out. It's still daytime. So my plan has been, I woke up super early. I went to the gym at 7 in the morning. I had to go return some stuff to Whole Foods. I walked there and back. And then I came back here. I cleaned the stove, the countertops, the kitchen. I vacuumed all the floors. I vacuumed upstairs. I did the laundry, I folded the laundry, I packed my carry-on, everything else is packed. I did my hair, I cleansed myself, I washed up. Okay, I'm gonna let this absorb just a little bit because I feel like, do you see how gorgeous that looks? Oh my gosh. I definitely don't wanna go for super duper full coverage. I don't like that look anyway. So I'm using my current foundation obsession. It's Axiology clean foundation brush, and I'm gonna stamp it in. Now I definitely will, like I always do, put foundation on my chest and my neck once I decide what I'm gonna wear, because some of them have different neckline shapes and I don't want to mess with any of it. Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I haven't worn this concealer in so long. I don't know how long, but very, very, very long. Like, I don't know, maybe 2019 was the last time I wore this concealer, and I remember always loving it. I'm gonna try to do my makeup as quickly as possible because I do not have the time. All right, blush. Oh, I should have done, damn it, I should have done the blush first, then the concealer. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer because I put this way too close to my freaking nose. Oh my God, what was I thinking? Just right there. A little bit of bronzer. Shade in my very gigantic forehead. All right, powder time. This is going fast. We're going so fast. I don't have a... Let me get it. Oh, I love these little rolly chair things. Powder. And I'm going to lightly set my under eye right here. I am going to take a little bit more and just sort of try to set everything. And yeah, I'm using the pink powder, but I just don't have time to grab the other one. So pink powder it is to set the face. 2020 me would be mortified at how much powder I'm putting on. But 2025 me is like, powder is the way to go. Powder is just the thing you gotta use in order to make your makeup look flawless. I always thought, oh, powder is not natural. It's not gonna look good. Fluffy brush, big bronzer. This is from Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna buff it into the perimeter of my face while also releasing all that powder. And again, I don't want anything sharp. I definitely don't want contour. No way. Okay, face is almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and do blush. And the blush I picked matches the cream blush I put on perfectly. Oh, hair, get out of the way. I am gonna add quite a bit of blush because blush is my thing. You guys, I'm waiting on a travel pillow from Amazon. Oh my God, I really hope it arrives because if I get that pillow, I'm gonna sleep so much better on this flight. Flights to Australia are not bad. If you can sleep on a plane, if you can get comfortable, it's really not that bad at all. Like really not at all. I sound like that viral sound. It's really not that bad. All right, for eyes, I'm using this Natasha Denona, Natasha. I need eyeliner. I need black eyeliner. Give me a second. Why does my forehead look red? Does my forehead look red? I don't know. My favorite eyeliners, I think, are definitely Kulfi. They are pigmented. And then I'm smudging it into the lash line. I'm also putting it on the eyelid, just like a really thick eyeliner that I'm going to diffuse with a brush in a second. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go in with this gray, very cool tone brown, and I'm gonna smudge it on as well. So my three outfits are so completely different from each other. I'm gonna upload a video of me trying all the dresses and you guys can help me choose. Although I'll probably have chosen because I need to leave, but I'm gonna take this brown shade and I'm gonna work it into the crease. These are the lashes. I love that they go from really short to lengthened out on the outer corner. Also, if you wanna apply your lashes easily, stop curling your lashes first because your curled lashes get in the way. So don't curl your lashes. So I'm just gonna place the glue directly on my lash and I'm putting a good amount in the places where my lashes always come off. Go from the inner corner, you see, and to the outer corner, and then I lift up that corner and I place it above my actual lash line because I want it to slightly lift. These, oh my God, do you see? I always have problems with the inner corners. I feel like this lash is a little bit more lifted than this one, but it's taken me so long already to put these on. I like to tie the lash band into the actual lash line and I blend it in with this. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done. Lip liner, take off my lip balm. I'm gonna do powder. This is the One Size Prime Fish. Should that ring a bell? Okay, and then One Size again. This is Lip Snatcher in red. OS red. One Size red. I love this color combo. These are gonna go in the purse. This is the makeup look. Classic and pretty, right? I love that. I haven't done a makeup look like this in so long. My makeup did not take that long at all.